Okay, listen. Who is the winner in a cricket team? In a cricket match, Bhavani's team made 324 runs. Ikram's team is batting and has made 198 runs. In a cricket match, Bhavani's team made 324 runs. Ikram's team is batting and has made 198 runs. How many more runs does Ikram's team need to win? So what should we do to find the answer? What should we do to find the answer? What should we do to find the answer? What should we do? Do we need to do addition or subtraction? Minus. Subtraction you have to do. Okay. One simple example question I am asking. Try to answer me. Okay. Okay, you see here Swaraj and Harshvardhan is playing cricket. Swaraj and Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan made 12 runs. Harshvardhan made 12 runs. Then Swaraj is batting. So Swaraj made 8 runs. How many more runs he need to make again to win? 12 runs. How many more? Already 8 made now. What Swaraj? You watch it here, Swaraj. Harshvardhan made 12 runs. Harshvardhan made 12 runs. Swaraj made 8 runs only. How many more runs he need to make to win? Very good. 4 runs. How do you find that? By using the subtraction. But watch. Actually, not 4 runs. He need to make 5 runs. Do you know? If Swaraj want to win, how many runs he have to make? Harshvardhan made 12. Swaraj want to win means how many runs he have to make? 12 runs make this win. If you made 12 runs, it is draw. Equal no. Not win. Swaraj also want to win means 1 extra he have to make. Means how many he have to make? 13. Swaraj have to make 13 runs. Swaraj have to make 13 runs. In that already 8 runs he made. How many extra runs means what should we do? Subtraction. 13 minus 8 will be 5. Okay, do you understand? So actually 12 runs if he made, that is not win. Equal runs he made. Equal runs is not important. He want to win means 1 extra he have to make. 1 extra means 13 runs. Already 8 runs he made. How many extra runs he need to make means we should do the subtraction. Okay. Now you see here. In this also I have given clearly to you. In the first team made 324 runs. Second team already 198 runs made. 198 runs made. How many more runs you need to make means you need to do the subtraction. First of all, to win, how many score he need to be? They need to be played. How many runs they need to be played? 325. 325. Because 324 they made. 1 extra they have to get it. That's why how many runs they need 5. Out of them already how many they made? 198 already made. So how many more runs they need to make? Means we need to do the subtraction, means minus. So you know that this subtraction, do you get idea? Do you remember how to do? Nazil, he watch here. Harshavardhan, put on the video. Now how to do the subtraction? You see first here 5 is there. Can you subtract 8 from 5? No, that's why what you will do? You will take the borrow. Means what will become? This will become 1 and this will become 15. 15 minus 8. For this one method I have given to you. 15 minus 8 means 8 fingers. 15 to reverse count. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So what is the answer here? 7. Now here 9 is there, here 1 is there. Can you subtract 9 from 1? No. So what should we do? We should take the borrow. When you take the borrow, what will happen? So this will become 2 and this 1 will become 11. 1 will become 11. Okay, now you can subtract 11 minus 9. 9, very good. Easily you can say 2. Otherwise like this 9, 11 reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 2 is there. 2 minus 1, 1. So how many runs they need to make? 127 runs. Okay, do you understand this question? Already answer is given in the textbook only. Answer is given in the textbook only. You don't need to write it, but just you try to understand. Okay, next topic. How much electricity is being used? How much electricity being used? You know, in your house electricity is there, no current. Every month you will pay your father pay the current bill, do you know? Every month your parents, your father will pay the current bill. Do you know current bill? Harshavardhan, not talking anything. Be active. Do your father pay the current bill or not? Harshavardhan, current bill. Do your father pay the current bill or not? Current bill, they will pay the current bill. Every home will pay the current bill. That is how do they pay, you know? How many units they are using, that much they have to pay. How many units, measurement will be there. Your current, how much you use. Suppose if you are using more current, means more fans, more lights are there, means more units will charge. Then they have to pay more money. Less current means less money. Means that something measurement will be there. There will be one measurement. According to the measurement, the current bill will be paid. So that measurement will be in the meter. You know, current meter will be there in your home. Outside of the home, meter will be there. So every monthly once they are coming and we take the reading. Electricity worker will come and take the reading. Yes. With mission they will take the reading and they will count it. Yes. Last month what is the reading? This month what is the reading? Last month what is the reading? This month what is the reading? Means how many units they have used. According to that we need to pay the money. You see here like this question it is. Shalini and Shamim note the electricity meter reading every month of their school. Last month The reading was 168 units. Last month reading was 168 units. 168 units. Last month reading is 168 units, and this month reading is 250 units. This month reading is 250 units. Last month, up to last month, they have used 168. This month reading it is 250. Means how many units they have used, do you know? How can you find it? Minus. Example, you see here, you think here, last, you see, up to last month, you ate 5 bananas. Up to this month, you ate 8 bananas. Means in this month, how many bananas you get? Means what should we do? Up to last month, you ate 5 bananas. Up to this month, you ate 8 bananas. In this month only, how many bananas it means? What should we do? We should do the subtraction. So what do you write? 8 minus 5. The answer will be 3. Same like that. This is the reading for last month and it is the reading for this month. This is the reading for last month and it is the reading for this month. Now we are going to find units used in this month. Units used in this month. So how do you find it? We will do the subtraction. What will you do? 250 minus 168 you should do. 250 minus 168. Now you see that here Shalini did the subtraction in one way, Shamim did the subtraction in one way. Observe the two subtractions there. Shalini's subtraction is 250 minus 162. Answer she have written as 118. And Shamim have written like this. 168. Whose one is correct? This subtraction is correct or this subtraction is correct? Shalini subtraction correct, Shamim subtraction correct. Whose subtraction is correct? Okay, you try. You try here. 250, 168. Do. First, can you subtract 8 from 0? Can you subtract 8 from 0? Harshavardhan, what are you doing, man? Don't type anything. You are typing something and sending like that. Just watch here. Why are you not responding today? Can you subtract 8 from 0? No. No. So what should we do? What should we do? We should take the borrow. We should take the borrow. Take the borrow. Nazil, Nazil. Sound not coming, Nazil. Sound not coming. Okay. Okay, you can't subtract the 8 from 0. So what should we do? We should take the borrow. Then what it will become? It will become 4 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 8 will be 2. Now, can you subtract the 6 from 4? No. So what should we do? We should take the borrow. Means 2 will become 1 and 4 will become 14. 14 minus 6. How to do? 6. 14 back. 13. 8. So 8. 1 minus 1. 0. 0 you don't need to write. So which one is correct? This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. Shamim correct and this boy is wrong. What he is doing, reverse subtraction doing here. 0 minus 8 means he is doing 8 minus 0. 5 minus 6 means he is doing 6 minus 5. So that's why it is wrong. And this is correct. Okay. Okay, this is also in the textbook only. You can write here. He is asking you question right now only. Who subtracted correctly? Who subtracted correctly? Shamim. Page number 48. 48. Page number 48. What? Only just to line only. What is there? No. Who subtracted correctly? Shamim. No, you write it there. Spell just side lines, side space is there. No. Right there. Who subtracted correctly? Shamim. Shamim no. Right. Shamim. Shalini is wrong. Shamim is correct now. That's why you write Shamim. And he is asking why. Now you only said to me why. What is the reason? Why Shamim? Why Shalini is wrong? Right there. Because Shalini not take borrow. Shalini did not take borrow. Shalini did not take borrow. What Shamim not take borrow? Shalini. Shalini wrong. Not by. First one is asking to you who have done correctly. The name. Shalini. See the top names are there. You see, first one is Shalini, second one is Shamim. So who have done correctly? Shamim done correctly. So you write it Shamim. Down. Why? Reason you are writing. What is the reason? Because Shalini did not take borrow. Okay. Now page number 49. Page number 49. There is one. Try this. Okay, come to page number 49. 328 rupees. After purchasing a story book, he is left with 139 rupees. How much money did he spend on the story book? Anil had 328 rupees. After purchasing a story book, he is left with 139. How much money did he spend on the story book? Oh, you think you do one thing. I am asking one question, the same like this. Okay? Nazil have 10 rupees. He went and purchased one biscuit packet for 7 rupees. Sorry. He went to shop. Nazil had 10 rupees and Nazil went to shop and he purchased the biscuit packet. What did he do? He purchased the biscuit packet. After coming home, with him 3 rupees are there. After coming home, with him 3 rupees are there. Means how much money he used for the biscuit packet? 7 rupees. Swaraj, did you understand? Nazil took the 10 rupees and go to shop and he purchased the biscuit packet. After purchasing the biscuit packet, with him how much money is there? 3 rupees is there. With him only 3 rupees is there. Now my question is, for biscuit packet, how much money he spent? 7 rupees. Harshavardhan.
10 minus 3.
Harshavardhan. Talk, man. Why are you not talking today? Are you playing game or watching? What are you doing? Are you watching or playing game? So 7 rupees. What? How did you get it? By subtraction. This question is also same like that. So Anil had 328 rupees. With Anil 328 rupees are there. He went to shop and he purchased the story book. After purchasing the story book, how much money is there with him? 139 rupees are there with him. Now the question is, how much money he spent for story book? Means what should we do? We should do the subtraction because it is also like this question only. Nazil went with 10 rupees. But here, this man Anil went with 328 rupees. Afterwards, Nazil left the 3 rupees. Here, Anil left with 139 rupees. Here he purchased biscuit packet. Here he purchased story book. For biscuit packet, how much money means? 7 rupees you are saying. For story book, how much means you have to do? What should we do? We should do the minus subtraction. We should do the subtraction. You know how to do the subtraction? That is the homework. In textbook only there is gap for you. In textbook only there is gap. In textbook only you find the answer. Okay, which is the homework? Try this in the page number 49. Try this in the page number 49. Okay, then after homework is try this in page 49. Okay, after that you see that down. Can you solve them correctly? Here some subtractions have done by Madhu. Madhu have this done. Madhu have done this subtractions. Can you correct them? Correct is there, wrongs are there. Can you check it? Not like that. Gauri gave these problems to Madhu. Gauri gave these problems to Madhu. Gauri is teacher. Madhu is student. Then Madhu have done like this. 4 problems he have done. I am asking to you, can you correct them as a teacher? Wrong are there, correct is there. Can you correct it?
7 minus 7.
You correct it. Can you correct it? Okay, so you have to do this. Correct the problems in 49.
Sir, 7 minus 7, 0.
Yes, correct the problems in page 49.
3 minus 3 becomes 2.
Correct or not, you check it. Okay? So before that, what should we do? To correct, you have yourself, you have to do. Then you can understand correct or not. Yes or no?
Okay. Right now, sir, corrected one.
Correct to word, there only you write it. Correct means correct, wrong means wrong.
Sir, notebook and don't write now.
No need, in textbook only you can do that.
Okay.
You do one thing, which is correct you tick, which is wrong you do again.
Okay, sir.
Which is correct you tick, which is wrong you do again. Okay? So this is the work you need to complete today.
Correct means tick, wrong means wrong.
Wrong again you have write correct answer.
Okay.
Wrong means you have write correct answer there again. Okay, and pending work, yesterday pending work and today work. This all you have to complete and send to me. What is the yesterday pending work? In page number 47, subtractions.
And 49.
Try this and correct me. Okay? Okay, complete and send them in the WhatsApp to me.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.